I'm happy and glad to receive the #1 sister-in-law, Moses Sali, very cool, big size cake. Very cool calls Zuena my cake. I think very cool is right. Zuena, you are stunning. You are coming.
Thank you.
Congratulations, everybody ku Okusomero. Ate everybody ku Soma. You study and complete. Feruja call a party.
Thank you.
Come on,
So
come.
much.
Hi everyone, this is Zuena Masali, CEO Zuena Cake. Birthdays, bridal and baby shower, name it. We also have ready-to-go cakes, freshly baked ready-to-go cakes. We also do delivery around Kampala, and we do delivery for bulk cakes within Uganda. So why Zuena Cakes? Our cakes are simply mouth-watering. At Zuena Cakes, we believe that a party without a cake is just a meeting. So try us today.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being just